Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we will solve another exciting exponential question, that is 4 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 48. At first this might look confusing because the exponents are close, but with the right technique it becomes simple. Let's start step by step. You notice that we have 4 raised to power x and 4 raised to power x minus 1. The first term 4 raised to power x can be written in the term of 4 raised to power x minus 1. So we will write this as 4 raised to power x equals 4 raised to power x, 4 multiply 4 raised to power x minus 1. Because this 4 also have power 1, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now if we write this as, in place of 4 raised to power x, this is 4 into 4 raised to power x minus 1 minus 4 raised to power x minus 1. This will be equals 48. Now we will take common 4 minus 1 from this, and 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 48. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 into 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 48. Now we will divide by 3. We will get 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 48 by 3. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. So 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 16. Now this will become 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 16. And 16 is basically the square of 4. So 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals 4 raised to power 2. Then we obtain from this is x, when the base is same, power will also be same. So x minus 1 equals 2. So x will equal 2 plus 1. That means x equals 3. So this will be the solution. Now we will verify our solution that this is right or not. For verification we will substitute the value of x, that 4 raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 minus 1. 4 raised to power 3 means 4 multiply 4, that is 16. 16 multiply 4 is 64. Minus 4 raised to power 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, so 4 square is 16. Now we will subtract 14 minus 6 is 8 and 5 minus 1 is 4. That equals right hand side. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve a more challenging exponential equation where both sides have exponent. Stay tuned for that. Best of luck for your exam.